it's Tuesday morning, the 26th, heading down to Renton to run an errand, and then I'm going to go home and have my breakfast. Well, so far I've gotten lost. I was going the right way, and then I realized, well, maybe I'm not going the right way, so I turned around. But it's all good because I decided to stop at McDonald's for breakfast. And they're really friendly here. And I'm actually in Bothell, not in Renton. And oh look, Phillips. He owns a lot of businesses that have his name on it. Well, I thought since I got lost again, I'd show you guys. Well, there's Kenmore Air. Always wanted to take that over to Victoria. Might still one of these days. I've been there before. I got a lot of nice, neat little shops in there. I didn't realize that I passed it earlier. I'm on my way back now. I actually had to go through Bothell here to get to Kenmore. That's where I had to run my errand. So, gonna head back. And that's Harbor View Park. I'm on my way. I have an appointment with an endocrinologist in about half an hour. So, yeah. I'm a little nervous, but I'm going to do my darndest to try and get this continuous glucose monitor. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to do everything I can to try and get one of those. And we'll see. So wish me luck. And here's Forest Park. Another pretty park in Everett. It's got a lot of trails. I'm almost here, so I'm gonna go look for parking. See you guys after the doctor's visit. Just look at the view there, those mountains. Oh my goodness. So guess what? I have excellent, wonderful news. Not only was the doctor wonderful, but it looks like I am approved, so I'm really happy and relieved. And I know Mox will be too. So, yeah. Pretty exciting. So, the process has started. And I'll explain more about what this is going to do when I get it, when I actually get it, so stay tuned for that. Happy news. I beat the bus. Yes. It's always a bus, the shuttle bus behind me. Anyway, so I'm on my way to pick up Mox, and then I guess he wants to go to the gym to happy for the next couple of months, and then we're going to go grocery shopping. But, yeah, exciting. I forgot to mention, the doctor was really interested in what I do. And I told him, I said I make YouTube videos, and I got several channels, and I film my adventures. So, yeah. And here's your look at the sound this afternoon. Thanks, guys, for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Probably, I don't know. I might film later on tonight. Who knows? You never know. But in case I don't, I'll see you all tomorrow.